Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the shake to refill sticker for Instagram story. So you can start by opening your Instagram apps on your phone and click on your story. Then choose the background first. Okay, I'm going to go to photos. Here I'm going to use a background, for example, this one's right here. And after that, here you can add the sticker by clicking on the sticker icon at the top and choose the frames options and select the photos that you want. Okay, so I'm going to use this photo for example, and you can add a caption, but this is optional. I'm going to skip that part. Click on done, and here you can reposition the frame, and after you upload, your followers can shake or tap the your story to reveal the photos on the frame. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.